Hello everyone, my name is Daniel from Dan Racing and welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna finally be changing the camshaft's position sensor on my MK6 Golf GTI, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So there are several symptoms of the camshaft position sensor going bad. One of them is some difficulties starting when the car is hot. Also, of course, you get an EPC light or actually a check engine light. So first of all, I'm gonna grab my computer. I'm gonna show you with some diagnostic software the error of it, and then we'll get to replace it. Okay guys, so we're in the software right now and we're just gonna perform an auto scan. Now we're gonna click start. Let me just zoom in for you guys. I'm sorry, the screen is really dirty, but okay, so we have a lot of scans already. Let's see what error it gives me. Okay guys, so we're in the menu now, and this is just a code because of my downpipe. And then here we have camshaft position sensor signal to high intermittent, and it happened 22 times. We have a evap system, doesn't matter. Again, camshaft position sensor 14 times, and this is just because of the system volt car being stopped in the shop. And then we have engine speed sensor incorrect correlation, which is also means it's because of the camshaft, it does it. So we're just gonna clear the codes and then we're gonna go and install it. Okay guys, so here we have the camshaft position sensor straight from Volkswagen, as you can see. But first, before we install this, we have to remove the engine cover, and it just pops out really easily. Just I'm gonna put it aside right here, and just so you can see, here is the camshaft position sensor. Doesn't seem to be any bad things in the wiring, so it's just what seems to be a Torx 30, but I'm gonna check, and that's hot. That's really hot because I just drove this car. So yeah, I'm gonna get a T30. We're gonna get that thing off of there. Okay, we must unplug the connector first, so it just slides out like that. I don't know if you guys can see that well, so I'm gonna zoom in. So yeah, this, you just pull on this tab. Let me just change the orientation. So you get in here, you pull this tab out, and then with the T30, you just slide the T30 in, turn it counterclockwise, take the bolt out, make sure you don't lose this bolt. Okay, so here's the bolt. Ouch, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Okay, it's really hot. Okay, and then we just slide the crankshaft signal position sensor out. Here it goes. This one is the bad crank position sensor, as you guys can see. So this one goes in the garbage. So I got some rags in here. I'm just gonna clean up the oil that's in here. Okay, clean up everything on the inside. Okay, then we're gonna grab the new sensor, take it out of the box. As you can see, brand new. We're gonna get some Vaseline on that O-ring right there, so it slides in easy. Let me just get it. Okay, so I got that O-ring nice and lubed up if you want to focus. Okay, so it's got it nice and lubed up. Then just put it in. Again, you grab the bolt, put the bolt back in. Hand tight first. Okay, so you just tighten this bolt. Don't crank it too much. Just make sure it's tight. Check all the connections. Blow on them. See if they are watertight. Then you just plug it back in and it should be good to go.